Get ready for a grocery game changer that'll make you forget all about those metal carts with wonky wheels. I'm with the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where my newsletter is free. Look at this. It is called the Palatron. It's a flying shopping cart that could soon revolutionize how you do the supermarket. Picture this. You're strolling through the aisles effortlessly, pushing a hovering platform at chest height. No more struggling with wheels caught on cracks or battling to turn the corners. This bad boy glides smoothly through the air thanks to its built-in drone technology. The Palatron's got a spacious top for all your goodies and a handle that feels just like your old grocery cart. But here's what's amazing. You control it with a gentle push and gentle turns. While this high-tech brain keeps everything perfectly level, no more tumbling tomatoes or sliding sodas. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about stairs? Well, folks, the Palatron laughs in the face of steps. It'll float right over them just like they're not even there. Sure, it's a bit noisy and can only carry about 6.5 pounds for now, but the tech wizards behind this flying innovation are working on improvements. So who knows, soon you may be zipping through the aisles with a week's worth of groceries floating along beside you. So easy to shop now, right? CyberGuy.com is my website where you get my newsletter for free by clicking that red button.